Third stanza. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McAvity is not there. McAvity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. New word ginger, alert, and cautious. McAvity is a clever cat. When one rushes to the scene of the crime, McAvity is not found. Those who look after him find him neither in the basement nor in the air. McAvity is very tall and thin. It is very easy to recognize him. His eyes are deep set in his face. Fourth stanza. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. McAvity brow has deep wrinkles, as if he is lost in deep thoughts. His skin is full of dust. You will find him swaying his head from side to side just as a snake does. He is an expert cheat. When you feel he is asleep, he is only dozing. In fact, McAvity is always alert. Fifth stanza. McAvity, there is no one like McAvity, for he is a fine in felon shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the sky, but when a crime's discovered, then McAvity is not there. Hard words in this stanza: faint demon, felon cat, depravative, evil quality. McAvity is unique. He is an evil incarnate. Ordinarily, one can find him anywhere, by a street or in a sky. However, when you want to punish him for a crime, he is nowhere to be seen. Sixth stanza. He is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats at courts, and his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. And when the ladder's looted, or the jewel carries rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another pig's been stifled. New words: ladder, cupboard for storing food, rifle, ransack to steal, peggy, a picnic dog, stifle, to suppress someone from acting. McAvity is outwardly respectable because some say that he cheats courts. His footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yard. However, he commits every crime whenever he loots the food or steals jewels or drinking milk. After committing the crime, he escaped from that place.